At the Packard Mayfair, 1951–1953, at the premium hardtop coupe. At Y middle.I.IRS's Cadillac overview. The Packard Mayfair was a luxury two-door hardtop coupe produced from 1951 to 1953. It was based on the Packard 250 series, positioned above the base models but below the top-tier Patrician and Caribbean. The name Mayfair evoked sophistication and exclusivity, named after the upscale Mayfair district in London, similar to how Cadillac used Fleetwood. Dissection specifications, model year 1951–1953. Feature details. Engine 327 cubic inches, 5.4 liters, inline-8. Thunderbolt, horsepower 158–180 horsepower, varied by year. Transmission 3-speed manual, Ultramatic automatic body style two-door hardtop coupe, wheelbase 122 in, 3,100 mm, layout FR, front engine, rear wheel drive, production years 1951, 1952, 1953. Thighway design features. Thighs luxury touches, chrome accents, tautone paint options, upscale upholstery, leather or fine cloth. At Y superscript A interior comfort, spacious cabin, full-width front bench seat, dash-mounted clock, and premium radio. AO/IRS's pillarless hardtop design, no B-pillar between front and rear side windows, giving a sleek, open-air look when windows were down. By positioning, the Mayfair filled the niche for buyers who wanted a stylish and sporty coupe without sacrificing the luxury feel of larger Packards, competing with the Cadillac Coupe, DeVille and Lincoln Capri hardtops. The end of production. The Mayfair was discontinued after 1953, as Packard restructured its lineup and introduced other models like the Caribbean convertible. At Y legacy. Today, the Packard Mayfair is a rare collector's gem, admired for its classy 1950s design, solid build quality, and status as a symbol of mid-century American luxury. Values vary based on condition, but well-maintained examples often appear at classic car auctions.